So the swearing in of the newly inducted ministers took place at the Rashtrapati Bhavan last evening in the Prime Minister's presence as well. As many as 43 ministers took oath in the Union Cabinet expansion. Here are all the details about the big winners and the big losers.
मैं किरण रिजिजू
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं
कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित
It was a mega Mantri reshuffle by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, full of surprises and high-profile exits.
या देश के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों
There are big winners and big losers in this stunning overhaul.
मैं मनसुख मांडविया ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि
Mansukh Mandavia, Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat, has been promoted. He will now hold the key portfolio of health and medical education, replacing Dr. Harshvardhan. He will now lead the country's war on coronavirus.
मैं किरण रिजिजू ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं
Kiran Rijiju, previously the Minister of State for Youth Welfare and Sports, has been promoted to cabinet rank.
निष्ठा रखूंगा
Rijiju now gets Ministry of Law and Justice, which was earlier with Ravi Shankar Prasad.
जब भी और जहां भी जो हमको जिम्मेदारी दिया जाएगा वो जिम्मेदारी को हम दिल से एक तपस्या करके हम लोगों के लिए काम करते रहेंगे।
मैं अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं
Minister of State Finance Anurag Thakur too has got plum ministries after his elevation to cabinet rank. He now will hold the portfolio of Information and Broadcasting, previously held by Prakash Javadekar. Thakur also gets the charge of Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry. His promotion in the Modi government also comes in the wake of the upcoming assembly elections in his home state, Himachal Pradesh.
मैं आभारी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का, पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेताओं का, माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने जिम्मेदारी दी है। मैं प्रयास करूंगा कि उनकी आशाओं के अनुरूप काम कर सकूं।
I, Hardeep Singh Puri, do swear in the name of God
Hardeep Singh Puri, the Sikh phase in Modi government, has been promoted as cabinet minister. He will now be the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, the portfolio which was earlier with Dharmendra Pradhan. He will also hold the portfolio of Housing and Urban Affairs.
मैं श्रद्धा पूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से
The BJP's Telangana phase and Minister of State Home, G. Kishan Reddy, also got a promotion.
सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा।
Reddy, now a cabinet minister, will hold the portfolios of culture and development of northeastern region.
नरेंद्र मोदी साहब जो भी जिम्मेदारी देते हैं वो डेडिकेशन के साथ, डिसिप्लिन के साथ, डेवलपमेंट के साथ और काम करने वाले हैं।
मैं परसोत्तम खोड़ाभाई रूपाला ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि जो
Purushottam Rupala was the Minister of State for Panchayati Raj, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Hailing from Gujarat, he will now hold the portfolio of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy.
मैं राजकुमार सिंह ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा
R.K. Singh, earlier MOS, Power, New and Renewable Energy, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, gets full cabinet rank. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has undertaken a total overhaul of his ministry. The reshuffle that comes at the halfway mark of his second term sets the stage for course correction ahead of UP polls and the big elections in 2024. Bureau Report, India Today.